10th standard important synonyms. First one, gnawed, chewed. Second one, gruffly, sadly. Third one, frail, weak. Fourth one, consonants, agreement. Fifth one, plentifully, sadly. Sixth one, bifurcated, divided. Seventh one, rustic, shabby. Eighth one, swooped, moved very quickly. Ninth one, attic, laughed. 10th one, indigenously, innately அல்லது domestically. 11th one, jealous, desirous. 12th one, appreciate, despise. Appreciate, despise. Thank you.